What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. We over here at the shop, man, right now. I just kicked it up. I got the babies with me. I got D-Man over here. And yo, we just hit 1,000. I'm gonna get to 100,000. 1,000 subs on YouTube, man. It's cause for a celebration. And I've been waiting for an opportunity to do this. Now, I waited on purpose. For one, I don't have a truck to do what I actually want to do. And for two, I wanted to at least get to 1,000 subs before we start destroying stuff. So with that being said, because of our 1,000 subs we got D-Man here.
What's up, guys?
We have a Cavalier that is about to go to the scrapyard and we about to have some fun. And we gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, so y'all know I don't flex monetarily. So I thought it was a great idea. Hey, come on back. Since we got the shop, come on back. I got my little dudes with me. Come on. Hurry up, there you go. He coming out. Hurry, get out of the way. So I don't flex monetarily. And this is kind of materialistic as well, but not in that sense. I get a lot of junk cars. This actually was not gonna be a junk car, but the transmission started going and it's not worth it for me to put anything in. So we're gonna flex another way. Come on, big guy. All right, so I'm gonna let D-Man explain what is going on. Let y'all roll. We're gonna walk around the Jeep, we're gonna talk, and then we're gonna go from there on with the carnage. All right, talk to me, D.
All right, guys, so this is my brother's 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It came with a 4-inch lift kit, short arm, we didn't like it. So we just slapped a nice 5.5 long arm kit. You know, our 10 lines, 33s.
Ah, get your hands out the way.
We put a snorkel on. It is hooked up. All of our breathers are hooked up to it.
I can literally feel something pulling. Okay. Let's go down. Back up, King. Back up. We got open exhaust. What's this called?
This?
Yes.
This is the rear long arm kit. We have to cut the rear bracket off yet for more flex. As you can see how close it is.
Right.
So we gotta cut it off there for more flex.
Okay.
You do have to extend the front dry shaft when you go past 4 inches.
Extend the front drop. Okay, y'all get up, please.
You have to get a longer dry shaft. It is 2 inches, guys. 2-inch dry shaft on a 5-inch lift kit.
2-inch drive shaft. So that's a custom thing then.
You can order them custom or get an XJ dry shaft, which makes it 2 inches longer.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So it's yeah, you can interchange it from other parts. Okay. Oh snap! Now, this is inline 6, right?
Yes, it is a V6, and this one does have the 42 RE transmission. If you guys know what a Jeep is, they do come with an AW4, and unfortunately this one does not have an AW4 in it.
What's the difference?
The AW4 is they're a Toyota transmission. You can literally not kill them.
Gotcha. Hey, get out that road, dude. Come on up here, please. All right.
This right here, guys, is a 1-ton steering rack. It is not your basic stock bracket pinion. This is a 1-ton steering with a Heim joint setup.
This thing is gnarly, but I didn't realize the fan is blowing so hard, it may or may not caught that.
Okay.
So, say it one more time, just in case.
So, the front steering bar, this steering rack, is a 1-ton setup. It is an aftermarket setup for these, and it's harder to bend, and you can do a lot more with bigger tires and gearing so you don't bend them.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna get some flexing going. That's what it's called, right?
Yes, we are gonna see the max flex we can get out of her. On a
get off of him, dude. 5-inch lift kit, and we got what is it? A Chevrolet Cavalier. Yes, this thing is seeing better days. But we're gonna put these 33s on top of this thing. All right, gentlemen, y'all ready to see the monster trucks? Give me some excitement, say yeah! All right, come on, let's back up. Hold on, which side? You gonna do the passenger side up?
Yeah, passenger side up.
All right, y'all stand back here, come back here, come back here.
Patrick,
Yep.
go in front of the Chevy.
In front of the Chevy. All right, y'all come here, come here. Come here, come here, hurry, hurry, hurry. Stay over here. All right. Oh, snap. There we go. Oh, super flex. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh, he's spinning the back tires. Oh, no. He was caught. Yeah. Oh, hey, your back tire's off the ground, bro. Hey, come here, hey, over here, over here, over here. All right, stay right, your back tire off the ground, bro. Oh, it was, hold on. This is a super flex. I want you to flex your muscles. Flex, yeah, yes. All right, now listen. You ain't about to move this thing. I don't think that's about to happen. Well, poor Cavalier, and I'm a Chevy guy. I like Chevy. Got a couple Chevys myself. It's seen better days, but this is how we flex. And so let me ask a question. Right now, you probably got about 2 inches.
And if the shocks wouldn't stop me, I could probably put her up to the windshield.
Gotcha.
Right now, the shocks are maxed out and the brake lines on each side are maxed out, and that's what stopped me from going higher.
You have to stop. You have to extend the brake lines too?
Yes.
Wow, didn't know that.
We just took if you're a Jeep guy and you want to put this lift kit in, the factory bolt for your brake lines, take it out, straighten them out, and you can flex all you want.
Gotcha. You be careful under there, guy. Hell yeah. Super flex. Hold on, let me get a picture. I gotta get my other phone to get a picture. It look like it's about to flip over, dog. I believe you. I believe you. Look at this. This is carnage. Carnage. Wow.
Hey, you guys hit that 200,000?
There we go.
I will run that Cherokee over top of a vehicle. Literally drive it up over a vehicle.
Let's get to it. Y'all help me get to it so D-Man can do this. I don't have the vehicle. Yeah. Hold on, let me get my camera. All right, I'm gonna leave this right here for a second. All right, now look at me, say cheese. Super flex. All right, thank y'all. Okay, now y'all can go play. All right, and the guy just hit me up about the car. The dude just literally hit me up. I put it up for sale, and he just hit me up about buying it. Is it all right if I show up early in the morning to be at your house like 7 to pick up the car for sure? Listen, man, I'm destroying the car right now as we speak because it's got to go to the junkyard in the morning. I warned you. If you still want to come through, you'll still be able to drive it on the trailer. This is me. This is happening. Like, this really happens in my real life, y'all. I think y'all don't get it. Like, this is literally how my life goes. Come on. Come on. We're going to just send him a picture. Now we getting somewhere. All right. He going to back it down. I thank y'all for all y'all support, man. And if y'all found any of this information useful, I'm going to link D-Man's information inside of the description so y'all can contact him. I'm not the Jeep guy. Good thing he did have a bumper. I think we just put some elbow grease on there. There we go. Oh yeah, that's fixed. Fixed all up. All right. Thank y'all for the 100. I keep saying 100,000. I'm speaking it into existence. Thank y'all for the 1,000 subs that we got, man. We got more content. I'm at the shop right now. I still got a mess. I got a Civic. I got this. I got quads. I got trucks. I got cars, and I got like 4 cars that I still ain't even brought here yet. Now the rain ain't stopped, y'all jump inside of the shop. Hey, that rhyme. Listen, back on up, dude, back on up, stay in the shop. All right, so thank y'all for subbing. Thank y'all, like, share, subscribe. Any questions or concerns, please give your man a comment down below. Visit me at CesarAuto.com where you can get all the information that you want, and just reach me directly. Y'all know where I'm at, you know how to find me, you know what to do, and know what I always say. Until next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace. Peace. There you go.